Hello everyone and welcome to another session for our math tutorials. So today, ang ating focus naman is the trigonometric ratio. So, may mga bata na nahihirapan sila how to get the trigonometric ratios. And one of the best methods that we can use is the mnemonic SOHCAHTOA. So, SOHCAHTOA stands for SOH. So, meaning that is sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Yan. So, you have here again, sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So, meron tayong triangle dyan that will illustrate the relationship between the opposite sides and the hypotenuse of the right triangle. So, suppose we have here a triangle. So, dito ipapakita natin yung theta so that you can review what is the opposite. So, that's the opposite sides of the theta. And then the longest side of the right triangle, opposite to the right angle, is the hypotenuse. So, that's opposite over hypotenuse. So, now we have K. So, yung K isinulat natin C at saka A over H. So, that's cosine theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So, pag sinabi nating adjacent, it is near to the angle. So, that's why, ayun yung ating adjacent side. So, yung third naman natin is the TOA, which is TOA. So, meaning that's tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. So, the opposite side of the theta divided by the adjacent. So, since already na alam na natin what is the mnemonics for the SOHCAHTOA, so we can now go back to our given triangle. So, triangle natin dito. So, sa right triangle natin, we have the side 3, 4, and 5. So, the theta is there. So, you have sine theta is equal to the opposite again. So, the opposite side of theta is equal to 3 over the hypotenuse 5. So, that's 3 over 5. So, again, opposite is 3. And we have the hypotenuse 5. The adjacent is 4. So, now, we proceed with cosine theta. So, cosine theta is the adjacent, which is 4 over the hypotenuse 5. Now, we have tangent theta. So, TOA. So, that is the opposite of the theta, which is 3 over the adjacent 4. So, meron na tayong sine, cosine, and tangent. So, balik naman tayo ulit sa mnemonics na CHOSHCAHTOA. So, CHOSHCAHTOA, this is actually the reciprocal of the SOHCAHTOA. So, dito makikita nyo na may relationship pala yung mga given natin na mnemonics. Yung CHO is actually the reciprocal for SO. So, that's cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. Kaya siya tinawag na CHO, C-H-O. Okay? So, ayan ay, again, reciprocal of sine. So, now, punta naman tayo sa siya. So, siya is actually the reciprocal for K. No, so, siya stands for secant theta equals hypotenuse over adjacent. So, again, siya is actually the reciprocal for cosine theta or the K. So, lastly, we have the cow, which is cotangent theta equals adjacent side over the opposite side. So, this is now the reciprocal for TOA or the tangent. So, since we all know the reciprocal, so we can now get the ratio for our given triangle. So, pwede natin kuhanin yung cosecant theta. So, the reciprocal is 5 over 3. And then, we can now proceed with the secant theta. So, secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine. So, kaya 5 over 4. And lastly, we have the cotangent. So, cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent theta. So, that's why you have 4 over 3. So, that's 3. Okay, so there you go. So, you have the 6 trigonometric ratio. So, tandaan natin ulit ang SOHCAHTOA at ang CHOSHCAHTOA. Thank you and I hope you learned something today.